Go.
Limbo. Ow! Why I didn't want to do this. Limbo, limbo, limbo. How low do you want it to be?
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Good trick. Put it like that. There you go. My fat ass can't do that.
Fail.
A little bit lower. Right there.
Twisting it isn't gonna hurt.
I want to do it.
Higher? God, thank you. Hold
Can't do it. I
on.
don't bend that way.
Okay, well then you can hold it.
Ooh, sexy girl on my phone.
I thought you didn't like her.
Never said that.
My fatty brother. Say hi.
Howdy.
What you doing? What the heck is that? Oh, Red Skull.